I cannot imagine that computers will be in people's houses anytime soon, but they might be at the local pharmacy.
Got it.
Right? And if you've got a drug manufacturing facility in every town, then you just go and they give you a prescription and they do it in such a way, they format it so that you don't have to take 10 pills every day. You get one manufactured for you that has all the materials you need and the right distribution.
Got it. But you mentioned recreational drugs, and the reason I mentioned it because I know people are going to speak up on this. If the drug is legal, there's, to me, no reason why you can't manufacture it. For recreation.
I mean, you can do it.
What do you have against fun, Lee?
I have. So, I mean, I'm a chemistry professor in a university who's an entrepreneur as well. I just think I need to be as responsible as I can in the discussion.
Sure. No, sure. Yeah. But I know. So let me be the one that says like, there's nothing, because you have said recreational drugs and like terrorism in the same sentence.
Yeah.
I think. Okay. I think let's make sure we draw a line.
Sure.
That there's real dangers to the world of terrorists, of bio warfare, and then there's a little bit of weed. So I think it's up to the society to tell its governments what it wants, what's acceptable, right? Yeah. And if it becomes, let's say that THCs become, heavily acceptable, and that you can modify them. So let's say it's like blood type. There's a particular type of THC that you tolerate better than I do. Mm-hmm. Then why not? Why not have a machine that makes the one you like? Yeah.
And why not
the perfect brownie?
And I think that's fine. But we're so far away from that. I can barely get the thing to work in the lab, right? And I mean, it's reliability and all this other stuff. But what I think is going to happen in the short term, it's going to turbocharge molecular discovery, reliability, and that will change the world.
That's super exciting.